be here with him like this, hearing him moan my name. Oh yes, oh my gosh. Okay. A little bit less Asa Karen, a little bit more Mae West. Oh my god, what was that? There it is. Just try. Just try. And if it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. But at least you tried. Come on. Come on. Please, just come on. He needs to be able to do this. Come on. Please. 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 Hey Siri, what do you do when your vagina doesn't let you put things inside of it anymore?
Showing results for, what do you do when Virginia doesn't let you find outfits anymore?
Thank you so much.